welcome back. Y'all already know for what? A quick little video. So we are going to go ahead and jump right into this video as always. All right, so Miss Cheryl Mama Dukes. I got a chance to go ahead and watch a video where you did some chalupas, some tacos, or a lot of things of that nature. Whereas though you put in the title something around, I don't know exactly what the title said, so let me not go ahead and quote that. But I do know what you were saying that, wait a minute, my lips dry. I got a question, y'all. Do y'all know if it's hard to see? You get what I'm saying with one eye? Like, I'm wondering, would I have to take my cell phone like this and, do, texts and stuff? Because I'm looking out of one eye right now and my phone is this close. And I'm like, damn, how do you even see how to work that? How do you even see how to maneuver that? You can actually see the text before the person even sends it. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Let me get back on track. So anyway, yeah, you went head on and you went to talk about your daughter with special needs because people wanted to know why they never see her on camera. Now, Miss Cheryl, I'm going to let you know right now that video, out of all the videos, even the last one that you and Jasmine did that has caused so much controversy, so many comments, just a really, really, really bad look on you as most, because you are the mother and you should know what you are doing, and as well as Jasmine. But Jasmine is another thing. So you went on to say that, you couldn't go pick your daughter up because of the COVID, and that's why she couldn't be here for the, Thanksgiving and things of that nature. And what I am going to do is I am actually going to say that is actually true. Because again, those of you who know that my mother, who has now passed away, owned group homes, and we still actually have them, and we do run them. And we do not let any of the clients out because of the COVID. I'm sorry, we just don't do it. So I can totally understand and agree with you right there. But Miss Cheryl, you already know, if you watch my videos, you already know that you have also left me messages in my comments. So what I am going to say to you, Miss Cheryl, that is the worst rack of shit that I have ever heard. Okay? And I'm going to break it down to you and tell you why. When I listened to your video, I'm going to be honest, it really, really had me in almost tears. And I am not the only reactor that felt this way. Not at all. Okay? Now, what I will say to you, Cheryl, is the fact that before it was COVID, and I'm going to say to you too, Jasmine, because another thing, Jasmine, I can count on my hand how many times that you have said that you have a sister who is autistic. I cannot count on my hands at all if you have ever said that your sister is coming over this weekend or you are going to go and see your sister. I've never, ever heard that. And I think from you guys, that is fucking disgusting. All right. I don't care how mad you get at this video. I don't care if Jasmine or you feel like you want to put up a rebuttal video. But just to let you guys know, that makes no damn sense. And you know what's really, really crazy, Jasmine, is that I actually have the pictures of your sister. And you and her look like y'all could almost be twins. Same face, same head structure, all of that. If both of you had different fathers, I would be surprised. I would be very surprised because y'all look so similar. It's not even funny. Someone sent me the pictures, I would say maybe about 6 months ago. But me being the person that I am, I'm not going to put out nobody pictures. That's not what I do. I'll react to your content, but I'm not putting out nobody pictures. Whether you like it or you don't, whether you think I'm telling the truth or I am not. I have never heard your mother, Cheryl, I've never heard you say, well, I'm going to go get my daughter this weekend. We're going to hang out. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. Excuse me, if y'all hear some things in my background that you don't normally hear, that is my daughter. Okay. So your sister who is autistic, and I'm going to tell you this over and over, you need to go and get your twins tested because the way that Aiden acts, he acts as if he has autism. He shows all the symptoms. You said that your pediatrician has told you that he is not. Jasmine, you said that you have worked with autistic kids, but normally a pediatrician cannot claim that your child is autistic. You've got to go through some things. You've got to take your child through a neurologist. You've got to take your child to actually the autism department and do a full workup. A lot of things that you say, Jasmine, because I can kick it to you. Because remember, I might come on here and y'all might think I'm real flighty, but I do have a college education. Yeah, sure do. So a lot of things that your son does, all of the things I've seen him do, I see him look away. I've seen him line up his toys sometimes in a row. You have just stated the other day, Jasmine, that your twins don't like certain textures of food. That right there is a really, really big symptom of autism. All right. He mumbles. He does not speak the way that he should, or does Ava speak the way that she should at that age? That's another sign. Okay. And if that's the, you know what I mean? Even if he's not autism, the thing that gets me is that, Jasmine, your twins have limited speech. Why would you not be taking them to speech classes? That's what you should be doing while your other kids, you get what I'm saying, are in school. Taking, them to some type of speech therapy. Taking them to some type of developmental therapies or evaluations. Because the people that watch you, we are mothers, just like you are. I myself am a mother. My mom owns group homes, like I said before. So she has kids and adults in these homes that have the same symptoms as your children have. What I would say, Jasmine, is that autism is predicted at the age of 2. What you need to do if they are autistic, Jasmine, you need to start dealing with it right now so that they can have a better life, to be able to communicate in the world. You don't want to do it when they are older and they are set in their ways. Right now, your children have a really, really, really good young mind. So what will happen is their mind will act like a sponge, and they will soak up and absorb all of the education, you get what I'm saying, and evaluation, things that you can do right now. You've got to nip that in the bud, Jasmine. I'm telling you some good shit. All right. I come on here, I act like a fool, but don't get it twisted. I know exactly what I'm talking about. We have never, ever seen your sister. Sure, we have never, ever seen your daughter. How do you think that looks like to us when you have your daughter there, you have your son there, when it's not even COVID? She's in a group home. Every group home is not good to children, to teenagers, to adults. They don't really care, a lot of them. They take the money, they have them outside dressed a fucking mess, high waters on, too small clothes, too big clothes, teeth not brushed. I mean, hair all over the head. They really don't care. If you find a good group home for a child, an adult, that is most likely amazing. Those type of group homes, they don't make no more. I will say my mom's group homes, she does a thing. She takes care of them. It's not a, money thing. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. That's just crazy to me. Jasmine, you don't have a job. So technically, your mother should have her daughter. She should have her daughter in the home with her. You get me? I mean, she could go to work. She could come back. She can be put in adult daycare. Which most likely the actual group home that she is staying at, because again, over and over, I have experience in this, they go to daycare. My mother has group homes that, one of the kids, the adults as well, they go to daycare at 7 in the morning. They come home at 7 at night. Seriously. The only thing you have to do is when they come home, fix them some dinner, get them bathed, give them their meds, and let them hit the sheets, and they can start it over again the next day. So I look at you really, really fucked up now, Cheryl. I mean, it is what it is. I gotta tell you the truth. I'm looking at you really, really, real crazy right now. And what got me was the fact that you said you had full custody of your daughter. So what? I don't know why you said that. What makes that any type of sense? What? See, if you were around here doing everything that you need for your daughter that's in a group home, like you were around here drinking Baja Blast and, you know what I'm saying, getting drunk on TV, on the camera and all that type of shit, and Jasmine pushing you up to do the dumbass shit because her ass has no type of brain whatsoever. And I think that Jasmine is actually a high-functioning autistic. I really do. She seems to me like she may have Asperger's. Okay? If you was taking care of your child, none of that shit right there would have been going on. Because you would have been able to give your daughter full attention. And so would Jasmine. See? I'm dropping you some nuggets and some jewels today. I mean, it's just really sad. I mean, I'm going to tell you the truth. It really made me look at you a whole different type of way. If my child has autistic or any type of developmental disability, no matter what, him, she, he, whatever, I would not do that. That is so heartbreaking to me. When I watched that video, I'm going to tell you, I had to stop watching it. Because you know what, Cheryl? It literally made me have tears in my eyes. I really, really, really felt heartbroken, and I have nothing to even do with the actual situation. You out here, you going to the store with, your daughter, Walmart, to the grocery store, all those type of things, doing cookouts and everything, while all the time you have your daughter staying somewhere with someone that is not actually your family. It's sad. It's disgusting. It makes no sense. Now, I could understand if you was somebody and, you look like Cyclops, I would definitely put you into a group home right away because you should be sheltered. No one ever should see your face. I could understand that if you had one eye. I could get it. But with all of this, y'all, I mean, it's just crazy. I don't want to say any more on it because it makes me mad the more I talk about it. I'm going to see you beautiful people as always in my next video.